Today's video is going to be something completely different because this time we're checking out one of the craziest AI tools I've ever tested, HiggsField Popcorn. This tool literally lets you create cinematic scenes, full storyboards, and even short ad-style videos using just your own photos. And the results are shockingly consistent and realistic. What's wild is that you can generate up to 8 different images in one go, all from the same scene. Something no other editor does right now. And not just that, it even lets you animate your results using powerful models like Sora 2, WAN 2.5, and VO 3.1 all inside the same platform. In this video, I'll walk you through all 3 main features, the auto mode, the manual mode, and the InstaDump mode, and show you exactly how this tool performs in real-world creative workflows. And by the end, we'll be testing a cinematic ad concept just to see how far HiggsField Popcorn can actually go. So yeah, grab your popcorn, because what you're about to see is not just another AI tool, it's a complete visual storytelling machine. So first things first, you need to head over to their official website. And once you're there, create your free account to get started. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's test out some of the basic features. Inside the platform, you get 3 main image generation modes: auto mode, manual mode, and auto dump mode. What's really impressive is that this tool can generate up to 8 different images at once, all in a consistent scene, something that very few AI image editors can do right now. So let's test it step by step. I'm starting with the auto mode. Here, it says you can upload up to 4 reference images at once. But for now, I'll just upload a single image to see how it performs. For my test, I'm using the image of a beautiful girl walking in a desert. The idea for the scene is this. She's walking through the desert, then she sees a mirage of water in the distance. She runs toward it, trying to drink, but the water suddenly disappears and she breaks down crying as she realizes it was just an illusion. So first, I upload the subject image, just like I'm doing right now, and then I describe the image briefly in the prompt box. After that, you can select how many results you want. This tool allows up to 7 images at a time. Once that's done, I click on the generate icon, and within seconds, it starts creating an entire sequence of scenes. Scene 1 shows the girl walking through the desert. Scene 2 transitions to her spotting the mirage. Scene 3 shows her bending down near the imaginary water. And Scene 4 beautifully captures her realizing it's just an illusion, followed by her emotional breakdown. Every single image feels connected and visually consistent, like frames from the same cinematic story. And the best part? You can animate all of these generated images directly inside HiggsField using its built-in video generation models. So not only can you create stunning multi-scene visuals in one go, but you can also bring them to life, all inside the same platform. It's fast, creative, and honestly, one of the most powerful AI storytelling tools I've seen so far. Next up is the manual mode. And honestly, this is where things get really interesting. First, upload my seed image, which in this case is an image of the Joker. Now, in manual mode, you have full creative control. You can plan your entire sequence scene by scene. Since I want to create 6 different frames, I'll need to write 6 individual prompts, one for each scene. And here's a quick pro tip. Instead of writing all those prompts manually, just use ChatGPT to do it for you. Simply describe your situation, for example, the Joker walking alone at night and finding a lonely puppy near a dump yard, and ChatGPT would generate 6 detailed scene prompts for you. Then, you just copy and paste each of those prompts into HiggsField scene slots. That's exactly what I did. In my sequence, the Joker is walking alone through a dark street at night. Then he spots a small, lonely puppy near a dump yard, and he tries to help the puppy, showing a rare moment of emotion, almost like a short film in still images. After generating all 6 prompts, HiggsField created 6 images in perfect visual consistency. The Joker looked identical in every frame. His outfit, face, lighting, all matched beautifully. However, in my last image, I noticed the puppy wasn't consistent. Its appearance had slightly changed. No worries though. That's where the edit option comes in. Here's what I did. I clicked on the edit icon, uploaded the reference image of the puppy, and then lightly painted over the area in the main image where the puppy was. After that, I wrote a short edit prompt saying replace with reference image, and clicked Generate, and the AI automatically replaced the inconsistent puppy with the correct one. If you still don't get the perfect match, there's a second trick. Upload both your Joker reference image and puppy image and regenerate. This ensures that both characters, Joker and the puppy, stay 100% consistent throughout all frames. And once you have your final consistent images, just click on the Animate button. And here's where HiggsField blows your mind. It lets you choose from some of the most powerful AI video models available, including Sora 2, WAN 2.5, and VO 3.1, all inside the same platform. No need to jump between multiple websites or tools. The animation results are incredibly smooth and cinematic. Each frame flows naturally, and the overall scene looks like something straight out of a professional short film. So yeah, the manual mode in HiggsField gives you complete storytelling power. You can plan, control, and perfect every frame. Now let's talk about the InstaDump option, because this feature is honestly one of the most unique and creative things inside HiggsField. So here's how it works. First, you need to select your image template pack, basically the theme you want your photos to follow. For example, since it's Halloween season, I'm choosing the Halloween pack. So I click on Select Pack. Next, it asks you to upload your photo. And here's an important tip. Make sure your image is clear and good quality so the AI can recognize your face properly. So I upload this cowboy photo of mine and then just click on Try Free. And within just a few seconds, boom, the AI generates multiple Halloween-themed versions of my character, all in different costumes and styles, without me even writing a single prompt. The results honestly blew me away. Each image looks super consistent. Same face, same character features, just transformed into different spooky Halloween outfits and settings. And that's what makes this feature so cool. It's fast, automatic, and surprisingly accurate. What really impressed me is that no other AI tool right now is producing results like this, where your character stays perfectly consistent while switching between multiple costumes or creative scenes, all without typing any prompts or doing manual editing. Now let me show you something truly next level, results that neither Nano Banana or SeeDream can produce, simply because those tools come with a lot of restrictions on what you can do. So here's what I tested. In image 1, I had a still from the Kill Bill movie featuring the main actress. And in image 2, I uploaded a picture of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Then I wrote a very simple prompt. Replace image 1 girl with image 2 man, keeping the same clothes, pose, and facial expressions. And guess what? The result was absolutely stunning. The AI replaced the Kill Bill actress with The Rock perfectly. Same outfit, same sword pose, same expression, just with his face and body structure blended naturally. It genuinely looked like a movie still featuring The Rock in the Kill Bill outfit. Now, if you try to recreate the same thing using Nano Banana or SeeDream, you'll hit immediate restrictions. They either blur the result, deny generation, or fail to preserve the pose and clothing accurately. That's where HiggsField clearly stands out. It gives you premium level editing flexibility, but with minimal restrictions. Let's take another example. I uploaded a still from Game of Thrones where there's a female character standing in a royal outfit, and then I uploaded an image of Donald Trump. My prompt was simple again. Replace image 1 girl with image 2 old man, keeping the same pose, clothes, and expressions. And man, the result was seriously impressive. The AI flawlessly replaced the female character with Donald Trump, keeping his facial features intact, but perfectly adapting him into that outfit. Same lighting, same pose, same mood. It looked like he was actually part of the Game of Thrones cast. That's the magic of HiggsField. It's not just another AI editor, it's a true character replacement engine. It can maintain pose, outfit, and emotion consistency across replacements, something most AI tools can't even come close to right now. Alright guys, now it's time to test something absolutely crazy. Did you know that on HiggsField, using its popcorn feature, you can actually create a full-fledged cinematic advertisement all by yourself with just a few prompts? Yep, this is where things start looking like Hollywood-level AI magic. So let's see how it works. First, I upload an image of Mr. Beast, and then I upload a Coca-Cola logo image because why not create a fun Coca-Cola style ad, right? Now, instead of using auto mode, I switch to manual mode because that gives me full creative control over each scene. Next, I go to ChatGPT and generate a few cinematic scene prompts, basically describing different shots of the ad, like Mr. Beast discovering a Coke bottle, taking a sip, smiling under the sun, and a cowboy joining in with his drink. I copy all those prompts and paste them scene by scene into HiggsField's manual mode. Then I upload my cowboy character image as well, so he appears alongside Mr. Beast in a few shots. After setting everything up, I hit generate, and within moments, the tool starts creating my cinematic ad sequence. And man, the results are honestly next level. The AI recreated Mr. Beast's look almost perfectly, not 100%, but close enough to instantly recognize him. And what really amazed me was how it maintained perfect consistency between Mr. Beast, the Coca-Cola product, and the cowboy character throughout the entire ad. Every frame looked visually connected, just like a real cinematic commercial shoot. The cowboy scenes came out especially good. Dramatic lighting, detailed expressions, and crisp color tones. It genuinely felt like a Western-style Coca-Cola commercial generated straight through AI. And here's the thing, you simply cannot achieve this kind of result with tools like Nano Banana or SeeDream because they come with too many creative restrictions. But HiggsField's Popcorn feature gives you total freedom. You can design multi-scene cinematic ads, maintain character and product consistency, and even animate the entire sequence, all in one place. So yeah, if you want to experiment with AI filmmaking or cinematic ad creation, you need to try this out yourself. You'll find the official link in the description below. Go check it out, and you'll understand why this tool is getting so much attention in the AI creator community.